Right here, I have another trusted product by Chinrose. This is gonna be a mobile storage holder with wheels on here. So you can actually take this with you because it has soft rolling wheels with actually locking mechanisms on there. And this holds a decent amount of weight because it is reinforced steel all the way throughout with really durable welds and a lot of storage compartments to hold all your tools. So let's take a closer look. All right, so I am incredibly happy with how this turned out. This is actually really easy to build. Takes less than 20 minutes to set this whole thing up. So let me point out some of the key features that I do love about this. So first of all, you're gonna notice this bright green storage center for all your tools, and it does come with these hangers on here that are really easy. All you gotta do is like press this and they can pop out. There's actually a few more that it comes with, but I just set it up in a way that my stuff would fit. I think this is perfect for just putting tools on here that you need all the time and just easy, quick access to. I just put a couple connectors, oil wrench, tape, flashlight, and check this out, guys. This is gonna be a carbon fiber looking mat. That is so cool. It's gonna have anti-friction and basically anti-scratch. So this is gonna last a long time. I love how it has these holes in here. So you can just put your tools in here, like your screwdrivers, any easy to access stuff that you need right there. My phone actually fits pretty good in here. I kind of like this holder for it. And this is like a plus model of a Samsung. So it's actually plenty big. You can just throw your keys in this section, oil. This is really large to hold a lot of stuff. And check this out. We got a nice durable handle on here as well. So you can basically pull this to wherever you want. Really easy to just move it around. Now, as I spin it around to this side, I want to show you something that makes this very unique. So this actually has an adjustment right here where if you pull this out, you can adjust this up and down from 36 inches in height to 50 inches in height. And that's going to be incredibly useful so that you're not bending down to pick up tools all the time, and it's just going to reduce fatigue. Another cool feature about this is you can tell that this post is actually off center. And the reason why I like that is because if you are working on an engine bay in a car, you can actually push this part underneath the front of the car, and this will actually overhang right over the hood of the car. So if you are leaning over that, you can have your tools basically in the engine bay right next to you. Makes it really easy to just grab stuff, and you can also just put a magnetic tool container like right on the side. I do love how it has these rubberized pieces on the edges. So if you are bending down and going up, you're not going to smash your head off of a corner. So that's just a little bit of extra protection. But let's check out the features underneath. We have really high quality welds going all the way around. This is going to be really durable, and I love how they do have those welds. And as you look on the bottom, you're going to have even more reinforcement. So it's going to be able to hold a ton of weight, and this is like really high quality. Now on this side of the wheels here, you're going to have these little locks that you can just press down on, and that just locked the wheel right there. So if you are trying to move this, it's gonna stay in the same spot. Obviously that's really useful, and then you can just click it up really easy and quickly. But all in all, this is actually an amazing tool cart that I love, and I think it's just really awesome and useful. If you're looking for a nice adjustable high quality rolling cart, this is definitely the one that I recommend. It looks amazing, and it's definitely gonna last a long time. Perfect for your garage, DIY, if you're a mechanic, home shops, anything like that. This is going to be very useful, and it holds a ton of stuff. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.